You log in, start an assignment, ask an AI for help. It feels instant, harmless, helpful. But in that moment, you are not just learning, you are training it. Your words, your clicks, your data become part of a profile that powers education tools and also military systems. So ask yourself, was this AI built for your needs or for theirs? What if the same cloud that powers your ChatGPT or Essay Checker also runs software used for battlefield intelligence, drone operations, or predictive policing? This isn't just about sharing servers. It's about sharing data environments, design priorities, and governance rules. When a platform is built for defense, it's optimized for surveillance and prediction, not learner privacy. That DNA shapes every tool it hosts. Imagine a school surveillance system that tracks students' keystrokes, facial expressions, even micro gestures. In a defense context, the same technology could analyze drone footage for suspicious movement. These platforms are products of surveillance capitalism, built to watch, predict, and profit. Once your data is inside that ecosystem, you don't control where it travels, who sees it, or how it's interpreted. Microsoft's Azure cloud is certified to store top-secret military intelligence. It also runs software for schools and universities. That means the infrastructure making battlefield decisions can also store your essays, track your learning analytics, or power your classroom AI tool. Those defense priorities, surveillance, prediction, and control, don't vanish in an educational setting. They are carried in the code, the architecture, and the governance, no matter the context. That's dual-use AI, built for combat, marketed for education. Take Palantir, a company known for AI systems used in military surveillance, immigration enforcement, and predictive policing. In 2024, Palantir launched AI services on Microsoft's defense-grade cloud, the same platform now powering many educational tools. Why should this concern you? The logic built for detecting threats in war zones can be applied to student behavior in the classroom. Surveillance tools like GoGuardian and Gaggle are already in schools in the US and generating thousands of false alerts. When surveillance logic enters education, students risk being treated not as learners but as potential threats based on careless or contextless data. This isn't science fiction. It's the war room and the classroom sharing the same digital walls and the same mindset. In July 2025, the Pentagon awarded up to $200 million each to OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and xAI to develop frontier AI for national security. These are the same companies behind the tools you might use to brainstorm essays, summarize texts, or generate lesson plans. This isn't just innovation, it's data colonialism. Your clicks, your writing, your patterns, all extracted to feed systems of control. AI systems aren't just software, they are embedded in geopolitics, labor, the environment, and militarization. When the tech that powers your classroom also powers war zones, the lines aren't just blurry, they are gone. You may think you're simply using AI to draft an email, but you are plugging into a system whose core logic was never built for education. Is education just a cover-up? This is the hidden bargain. Convenience in the short term at the cost of feeding infrastructures designed for surveillance and command. You don't have to abandon AI tools altogether, but you deserve to know what you are opting into. Ask yourself, Who made this tool? Who profits from it? And what else is it designed to serve beyond education? AI may help you learn, but it is also helping them learn about you. The real question is, whose world is it building? And are you okay being in it?